Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Oracle AI Database 26 AI in VirtualBox. To download the software, in Google search box write there Oracle 26 AI download, then go on this oracle.com site. Thereafter get started, and now you need to scroll down, and here you can see this is here Oracle VirtualBox. Oracle AI Database 26 W sorry .ova file is there. So you need to click on this link to download. The software is or downloading. The total size is 6.4 GB. So I already downloaded this software. So that I'm going to make that pause. So this software I already have. Now thereafter you need to go on this download. This you can see Oracle AI Database 26 AI. Now in your system, Oracle VirtualBox must be there. Here you can see Oracle VirtualBox. Now the next is this place. You need to double click on this Oracle AI database 26 AI. So this is now reading appliances. This read here name Oracle AI database. Here this all. Thereafter you need to simply click on this finish button and click on this agree, and this here importing appliances, so this you should wait till 100. Importing appliances that's done here this is Oracle AI database 26 AI free, and this is power off. Let's right click there, then click start, and here start with GI. So you should start this. Now this is powering VM, and this here you can see the percentage. So this is now starting there. So currently running, make the screen bigger, and so this is now currently starting there. Now let's close this navigation capture, making the screen bigger, and this here you can see this all here HR, and this here babe, that's starting this place. Here you can see this is SID free, pluggable, DB free, DP1. And now let's make that bigger, and here scroll down. So this place all password are Oracle. Here you can use our schema, HR, CO as such, and 1521 is the port. So this here terminal, let's write there plus SQL plus, and connecting with the HR, let's give the password, and this connected here. Here you can see our 26 AI. Now the next is going to view there employees table content. So select a start from employees. So this employees data that's are displaying there 107 rows. Now let's use select a start from departments. Departments table record that's displaying there. So this is how we can simply install Oracle AI 26 AI on VirtualBox. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.